Hey guys, looking to automate your Shopify store with N8N? In this quick guide, we're walking you through how to connect your Shopify to N8N. So go to your Shopify admin panel first, click Apps and Develop Apps for your store. If you don't see this option, enable Developer Access. Create a new app, name it, then under Configuration, select the necessary API scopes like red_orders or right_customers and whatever else your workflow needs. Now go to the API Credentials tab and click Install App. Once installed, you'll see your admin API access token. Copy this token, you'll need it in N8N. After that, you just open your N8N dashboard, add a new node and search for Shopify. Drag it in, and under Authentication, choose OAuth 2 or API token, depending on your personal setup. Add a trigger like a webhook, run a test order, and confirm that your flow executes correctly. Now you're ready to build out more workflows like abandoned cart emails or inventory alerts. And that's how you connect Shopify to N8N in just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, of course, and subscribe. See you next time with more tutorials.